What's up everyone? Andy Tanner here. In today's video, I'll break down the different types of stock market orders so you know exactly when and how to use each one. Many investors struggle with different order types and they end up making mistakes. By learning what I'm about to share, you'll be better prepared to place your trades with confidence and precision. So in today's video, we're going to run through market orders, limit orders, stop orders, and why you might choose one over the other. Let's start with market orders. Market orders means I want it now at whatever price the market might give. Generally, prices don't leap around too much during the day from second to second. They'll move a little. If you look at a chart that's live at a very small time frame, you'll see the market tick up and down and the certain price of a stock. If I really want in or I really want out, a market order will get it done right there. I'm not guaranteed that there wouldn't be just that little bit of movement by the time I place that order, and at the speed of light it goes in and gets it. I might lose a penny or so, but if you definitely want in or you definitely want out, without regard to getting just a little bit of variance in price, market order gets it done. When might we use a market order? I really like market orders when I want to get out. If you want out and you're trading, you want out. Now, what's a limit order? Well, a limit order means that there's a limit to what I'll pay if I'm buying, and there's a limit to what I'll sell if I'm selling. For example, may I see a stock, we'll call it XYZ, and it's trading at $105 a share. I says, you know what? I'd pay maybe up to $104 for that. That's the limit. That's the maximum amount I would pay. Then I can enter that in, and until the stock hits that price, it will not fill. I will not buy that stock. So what limit orders do is it puts a limit on how much I'll spend. Think of it this way. Maybe you send your son to the mall and you give him some spending money and you say, now buy this and this and this, but don't spend more than this amount. Let's put a limit on what you can spend. And a person certainly doesn't want to pay too much. Price is what I pay, value is what I get. So if I pay too much, well, then I might feel I'm getting less of a value. So limit order is a great way when you want to buy a stock. And that's one of the more common ways I'll buy a stock or even an option. I'll say, look, this is what I think it's worth. Here's the maximum amount I'll pay. Here's the limit on what I'll pay. And that's it. So if I just want in or out for sure, no matter what the price is, it's a market order. If I want to be a little bit more discriminant, I say, I think I'd like it, right here at this price. I'm not going to pay a penny more. I often use limit orders when I buy. Let's talk about stop orders. And I think stop orders are the ones that are the most confusing because the word stop is usually for an order to sell. That's usually what it's used for. And they say, hey, I want to stop losing money. If I'm an active trader and I say, hey, I bought it here and it's losing and I was wrong and it's losing, I want to stop and get me out of that thing. Stop the losing. But in reality, stop simply is a price where I want to tell the market, do something, buy or sell. So the most popular way I'll use the stop order is when I want to sell something as protection, or if I have a short position, I want to buy it back and get out. So I love limit orders to enter stocks, and I love stop orders to get out of trades. Limit orders to get in, stop orders to get out. So for example, let's say there's a stock at $75 and I say, hey, I think it's going up. I'll buy it at 75 or better. I put in a limit order, 75 or better. The moment I put that order in, I'd say, yeah, but if it falls below 70, I want to stop losing money. So I would put in a stop market order at 70, which means, hey, at 70, stop everything, just sell it, get me out of there, whatever I can. What is the best way to learn more about market orders, limit orders, and stop orders? I'll tell you what it is to practice in a paper trade account. Your brokerage, whoever they are, will likely have a virtual account, a paper trade account, and you can simply practice these every single day till you have it down. Hey, I just want to buy it or sell it right now. Bam, market order. Ooh, I want to buy this stock, but only at this price. I want to bargain. If it goes above that price, I don't want to buy it. Bang, limit order. Hey, I bought this stock. I think it's going up, but if I'm wrong, I want to stop losing money. Boom, stop order. This is how much I'm willing to lose, not a penny more. Stop market order. There's so many other types of orders you can learn, but those are the basic three: limit orders, market orders, and stop orders. So now you know the different order types and which makes sense for you when, and you might be wondering how to find great stocks to invest in. I dive into my personal strategy for analyzing stocks here. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you don't miss the next one.